Applying for a UK visa can often take several weeks, but there are actions you can take that will help reduce the processing time and minimize the risks of delay and rejection. I'm Per from Siam Legal, and for today's video, we're going to look at how long it could take for you to receive a UK visa and ways you can mitigate wait times so that you can reach your destination that much sooner. When you apply for any visa, your wait time will vary depending on the category. Most UK visa applications can take up to 3 weeks. This applies to UK visitor visas, work visas, and student visas. Some visa types can take much longer than 3 weeks to process, such as the UK family visa. This applies to every kind of family visa, including those for fiancés, spouses, children, and parents. Applying for any visa under this category can take up to 12 weeks. In some circumstances, you may receive your visa in less than the average time if your application is strong with good evidence and no mistakes. For instance, if you're applying for a UK spouse visa while in Thailand, you may be able to receive it in as early as 2 to 3 months. Many different factors could impact your UK visa processing time. Here are some potential issues that could lead to delays and how to mitigate them. The most common reason is incomplete or missing documents. To ensure this does not happen, obtain a checklist so you know which documents to provide and double-check everything to make sure there are no errors or false information before submitting them. During high tourist seasons, UK immigration experiences high caseloads, which can extend processing times. Therefore, it's best to apply during spring or autumn as there are fewer applicants, leading to faster wait times. Your application can also be delayed due to requests for additional documentation. Respond swiftly, and if they ask for additional documentation, remember, too much is better than not enough. If your application is delayed, there are some steps you can take to ensure you can still obtain your visa in time. The first is to comply immediately with all requests issued to you by the UK immigration authorities, also known as UKVI. They may want to see additional proof that you meet the qualifications, or there could be an error that they want you to address. Frequently check the status of your application and provide what is asked for swiftly. You should also contact the organization currently reviewing your application for more clarity on why delays are happening. However, since applications are handled by two different organizations, UKVI and UKVFS, a third-party visa processing company, you will need to ensure you are contacting the right one. If the processing of your application is being delayed, you should reach out to UKVI. If there is a problem with biometrics or UKVI has not yet received your passport, contact UKVFS. You can also apply for a priority service to expedite your application. This is a special service that is available for most UK visa applications. For a price of £500, you can receive your visa as early as 30 working days. You can also pay £1,000 to acquire your visa in only a day or two. There are many tips and tricks that you can leverage to make it easier to apply for a UK visa. For example, you can use the many services offered to you by VFS Global, the private contractor the UK government enlists to help with visa application processing. VFS centers in Thailand provide useful services such as photocopying and printing documents, courier services, in-person consultations, and assistance with uploading your required documents. You can access many of their services via their official website. Simply access their UK site and click on one of the services offered by a VFS center in Thailand to schedule an appointment. Be sure it is the UK VFS, as the company contracts with many other countries. As part of nearly every UK visa application, you will need to book an appointment with VFS Global to get your biometrics taken in person. This process can take some time to go through, so be sure to factor this extra trip into your travel plans. One of the important services that VFS offers is the ability to track your application status on their website. To do this, you will need to have your GWF reference number ready. This number will be emailed to you after you have submitted submitted your application to VFS. Upon signing in, you will be able to see whether your application has been submitted to UKVI, if it's currently being processed, or if a decision has been made. If you want more details, you will need to send an email to UKVI, which costs around £2.74, or contact the UKVFS contact center, depending on which stage your application is in. If you want to avoid the hassle of preparing your UK visa application alone and dealing with potential delays, contact Siam Legal for professional visa application services. With 20 years of experience in helping foreigners with their visa needs, our visa consultants have the skills and knowledge to ensure you can secure your journey to the UK with minimal delay. With our professional team handling your visa application, you'll be able to visit, work, study, or live permanently in the United Kingdom without being interrupted by immigration problems. You can find contact details for our UK visa consulting team and links to more resources in the description. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the processing times for each UK visa. สวัสดีค่ะ